Hello guys, this is Hoyam and I'll be your host for this episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest stuff happening in Qatar over the weekend. Our first event is KIF. Qatar's biggest and only international food festival is back at the Hotel Park Doha, starting from today until the 25th of March. It's open for everyone and who knows, you might get a chance to take a selfie with Wolfgang Puck. Ready for an entertaining show of motor beasts racing against each other this weekend? The Lusail International Circuit is once again roaring with madness as the Grand Prix of Qatar arrives. Scheduled from the 16th to the 18th of March, make sure to purchase your tickets now online. Don't miss out! This Saturday is National Muay Thai Day, and Beatitude Spa is celebrating this special occasion with, of course, a Muay Thai workshop. Tickets cost 70 Qatar Riyals for one session and 100 Qatar Riyals for two. So head on to their website right now and secure your spot. Also, did we mention that Muay Thai workshops for kids come for free? Qatar Museums brings Chinese artist Ai Weiwei to Doha for the first time to feature some of his greatest works. The exhibition, which will shine a spotlight on the ongoing global refugee crisis, will be held in Doha Fire Station's Garage Gallery, starting from today until the 1st of June. March 16 is the luckiest Friday as the Irish band, The Enemies, are all geared up to set the stage on fire for the annual celebration of St. Patrick's Day. DJs are also on the loose for a fun-filled evening at the Grand Sheraton Doha Resort from 5 p.m. until 12 midnight. Tickets can be bought at the door, so hurry up! And hey, before we forget, we'd love to mention that the results for the spectacular Neymar Jr.'s Five's first qualifier are out, and they're off to the second one this weekend at the Al Sadd Sports Club. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my episode of the Weekend Roundup. I'm pretty sure you're all wondering where Faris is, but unfortunately for him, he couldn't make it today, so I had to take over. Inshallah, he'll be back next week and better than ever. For the meantime, let's read out some comments from you guys. So we got Waleed saying he's really lucky and excited he was put up in the video. Really excited too, Waleed. We got Maryam, shout out to her friend Noor the Dragon, girl. And we got Nafis Ibrahim saying that he always start up his weekend with our videos. Once again, guys, we're really happy you all like our content. You know what to do. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Inshallah, I'll see you guys again. Salam!